In this video, you will see how to change paragraph alignment in Word document. To change the paragraph alignment in Word, select the paragraphs you want to adjust, then click on the Home tab. In the paragraph group here, you will see the options of align left, center text, align right, and justify. So you just need to click on them. For example, aligning left option will align the paragraph to left, center to center. Right clicking will align the paragraph to right. And if you want to justify the paragraph, you can use this option. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Control L for left alignment, Control E for center alignment, and Control R for the right alignment. To justify, press Control J. If these keyboard shortcuts were interesting, click on that like button, comment below, and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.